pretty much the home screen of the AI application. Very easy to use. So this AI application is a template-based AI application, guys. So as you can see here, you have a lot of AI templates which you can use. All of these AI templates, all you have to do is pretty much upload a photo of yourself, and you pretty much get these results. Very easy. I have the trending section, a lot of section here, as you can see, where plants and so forth. As you can see here, beauty sections. As you can see here, a lot of different templates which you can use, and all you have to do, upload an image and you pretty much get these results. Very simple, and the quality of these templates as well, they looks very great. So let's say, for example, this one here, one of the stop on the template I would like to use. As you can see here, it will take a while to load because of my internet connections. It's moving a bit slow. Here, as you can see here, I'll have to just tap on create, but do keep in mind this application here is not free, so you're gonna need a subscription to be able to use, if not all of these templates here. So if you do go down, pretty much see at the bottom down here we see upgrade it to Tola Pro. You can stop on an option here. It will pretty much show you the subscription. You have all access to all of the templates, HD quality, no watermark, and also 5,000 credits for YouTube use. And let me tell you, the quality of their AI templates are very great. Not gonna lie, they are very great. As you can see, you have a weekly subscription and you have a yearly subscription. So that's really pretty much it for the application. Nothing much. And if you do tap on the three lines over there, you do have the video and the photo section here. So everything that's been generated on the application will be shown in the history section here. So I'll have to tap on the all option. Very good to go. See you guys in the next one.